When bringing together elements like texture, color, and shape in any design, there are a range of fundamental principles that can be applied to achieve a better result. There are many ways to classify and define design principles, such as the following. Unity is achieved by grouping, positioning, or arranging in such a way that several individual components appear to have a sense of oneness. A desirable appearance should be seen from all viewpoints. A repetitive pattern can be used to create unity. Balance refers to equilibrium. Most commonly, it is symmetrical or asymmetrical. With symmetrical balance, there is duplication of components on either side of an imaginary line in terms of elements like shape, texture, form, or color. Asymmetrical balance involves placing dissimilar objects on either side of an imaginary line. Proportion refers to the sizing or scaling of components in relation to each other and to the total design. Maintaining proportion between the size and scale of items is essential to good design. Harmony refers to the way different parts of a design fit together. Overall, most designers strive to achieve a harmonious design, although perhaps not in all parts of the design. If you want to achieve harmony rather than contrast, you could choose a different selection of colors or shapes in plants for a garden design, or furniture for an interior design. Contrast is the opposite to harmony and should not be overdone. A design may have both contrast and harmony. Contrast can be created using different elements like black and white color, fine or coarse texture, filled or empty spaces. Occasional contrasts are used to create eye-catching features in a design. Rhythm refers to tying different spaces together or the components within a space by creating a flow between them. It is often achieved through similar repetition of equal or similar components in a design. It can also be created by encouraging the slow visual transition from one component to another. You may also encounter designers who refer to other principles, such as emphasis, pattern, and movement, and others that aren't included here. Also consider that design principles don't just appeal to our sense of sight, they appeal to our other senses of touch, smell, hearing, and taste too. Think about this next time you're designing something.